Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today you're actually going to make a beaded bracelet. Stay tuned. These are some of the materials you'll be needing to make your beaded customized bracelet. Okay, this is how it's going to look like after we're done with the whole process. So let's get started. You would need your customized brass to make it. So this is where the customized brass comes in. You need your customized brass. It has holes in it, so there's holes in the back, so you can actually put your thread through it. You would also need your Mhyzz charm. You can decide to use any other charm that you wish, like, but this the person actually ordered for the Mhyzz charm is what she actually wanted. So basically that was what I used, and these are the sparkle balls that I'll be using to give it a bit of some touches to it. And also not forgetting our very own Ghana made beads. Actually it is made in copper. Yes, this is how it actually looks like, the blue one. And these are the normal balls that we use in making them. If you have any other beads, you can actually use them, but this is the type that a person requested, and this is actually what is on the market, okay, here in Ghana. But if you are inside of the world, you can actually use any beads that is available to you. Okay, so you're also going to need your pliers to work around with the jump ring and the charm. This is how it's going to look like when you're done. Okay, yes, so those are some of the orders. You would also need your elastic thread. So you would also need your elastic thread, as I said. Okay, so you get your balls. Okay, you put your thread through the balls as I'm doing. You actually use other beads around to actually add a bit of touches to it if you want to. Yes, then you attach your brush to it. Okay, so this is how it actually goes by it. But in this beading world, what you do to the left side, you actually do the same thing to the right side. You treat them as twins. So you try to find a midpoint and then you work around it like that. So with this, I go through the whole balls all over again to get to the first ball that I actually put the thread through it, so that it can be at the opposite sides for me to tie it. So as you can see, I'm going through all the balls all over again to get to the first tip of it, so I can actually tie it. I don't actually cut mine because if I try cutting it, I feel like I'm wasting the thread. Okay, so after I'm done, if I feel like the wire there is too much, the thread there is too much, I just pull it and then some gets into it, so I save a lot of thread when I'm doing it in this manner. Actually save a lot of thread. So you tied it more than 5 or 6 times because it's elastic. You really have to make sure it is extra safer. Then you try and pull it as hard as you can so that it would actually go through one of those balls and add, and then the Mhyzz would actually just get inside the balls. No one would actually see where it was tied. Then you attach your jump ring to it. You open your jump ring and then you attach your charm to it, and then you lock it around the brass. Wherever you feel like putting it, you can actually put it. There is no static place where you can actually put it. You actually have to make a statement all by yourself. Okay, so basically this is how it's actually going to look like. Normally it comes with a package because most of them are actually made for people, like as gifts, so it actually comes with a packaging box. So normally this is how it actually looks like when you're done with it. These are some of the products that I actually did. I actually mixed up with it, so you can actually see a bit of some different sizes and different kind of colors and stuff like that. So this is basically it. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.